how to create an NFT collection online. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create your very own NFT collection online. So having said that, let's just jump into it. So traditionally, what you would do is you would create your NFTs, right? And then you would use like a software such as a coding software, and then you would print them all over here offline into your computer, and then you would upload them online. Well, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you don't have to do any coding whatsoever, and you just have to make your NFTs, right? Just make your pictures, and then you can convert them into real actual NFTs right here online. So let's begin. So for example, I'm over here on this website right here. It's called app.ambitions.so, right? I'm over here, and over here all I have to do is just simply log in or connect my MetaMask account. So I'm going to go ahead and connect with MetaMask because it's a lot easier. Okay, so it didn't work. Let me just go ahead and create an account over here, and all I have to do is enter in my email address, all right, and my name and my password, and boom, that's it. So over here it's basically a platform for NFTs so that you can launch your collection and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign up, and I will catch you guys in a second. Boom, there you go. Now I just go ahead and log in, and now it's gonna send a message to my MetaMask wallet, and over here I just have to sign in into my MetaMask wallet. And there we go. For a couple of seconds, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on next, because now it's gonna connect my MetaMask wallet to this website so that it can keep track of everything. So boom, there we go. Now all I have to do is just simply create a smart contract, just simply have to do that over here. Just have to enter in the name of my collection, the symbol for my collection, and then the price per NFT, a total of 100, and then deploy on Ethereum or Polygon or Solana, Ethereum testnet, or many more, and then just simply click on create an account, right? So for me, I really don't have a giant collection, but I just have a good collection. I don't have like a lot, so I'm just gonna go ahead and say like budget punks over here, and I'm just gonna call it BPS. There we go. Per is gonna be 0.05. There we go. And the set is gonna be 9. And then I'm gonna deploy it on Ethereum and click on create the contract. Boom. Setup is required. Right. Connect your images. Now we just simply go over here and connect our images. All right. Now I have to input the metadata URL over here. Now, when you convert your NFTs, you just have to enter in your metadata, and you can do that yourself. But for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and generate my own collection first. So to generate your collection first, you're gonna have to come over here back to the website where you set up your smart contract, but we're not going to do that beforehand. We're going to go over here and click on generate your collection. All right, and over here it's really easy. So these are the layers. Over here you can enter in the name of your collection, give a description and size, and you can enter in the metadata type, either Ethereum or Sol. So name, I'm just gonna call it budget punks. Here we go, budget punks ready. Now we have the description and collection, and it can be anything you want. The description doesn't really matter. I'm just telling you for an example. You can put in a pretty decent description over here. I'm just gonna write whatever I want. So after that, you can just enter in the collection size. For now, I only have a 9 collection. You can enter in hundreds if you want. For me, I only created 9, so I'm just gonna do that, and then just simply click on Ethereum. I'm gonna choose Ethereum and then click on next. Right, I'm gonna go with 10. Click on next, and then you have your layers over here. So now what you can do is you can input your layers. So for now, the first one is background. Let me just go ahead and delete that. First one, I'm gonna call it faces. I'm gonna enter that. Then I want hats. Then I want glasses. Okay, so I already have these. So I'm just simply gonna click on them. All right, I have my layers now. Yes. I have glasses, hats, and faces. Yes, that's good. Now I just simply click on next. You will have more, layers than that. I'm just giving you an example. So what these layers will is, in these layers, you're gonna put in your images that you've extracted. So I already have that over here. See, I have my face over here. I have my glasses. I have my hats. That's how it is. So I'm just simply gonna go ahead and put these in here, and you will have more layers. So this is just for giving you an example. So next, just simply click on next, and now I just simply drag and drop them. So for glasses, I'm just simply gonna go over here, and this is the folder. So I'm just simply gonna open them, select the file, and click on open. So now I have all of them over here. So this was my glasses. Now I want to upload my hats. So just go back over here. This is the hats. These are like the beanies or whatever, like just gave them. So I'm just gonna go there. All right, gonna close that up, open my face and enter in the face, which is this one. So just add in the face. So this is how it looks like, right? So as you can see, the layers I select, the layers move over here. And when it's done, it's gonna create that effect for the NFTs. So I'm just simply gonna go ahead and click on next. And over here, they're gonna ask me for my rare. So I wanna keep this rare, all right? And the rest can be whatever they want. Just with this classes, it's going to be rare, and you can even choose which other hat you want the rarity to be. So it all depends on you. So everything looks good. Just take a look for a second, and once everything looks good, just simply click on next, and here you go. So you have your NFTs ready over here. Then what you're going to do is you're going to log in to generate the collection. So look to the right and check if your NFT collection is set. So over here, I think it looks really, really nice, really decent. So let's go ahead and log in over here to generate our collection. And here we go. So this is how it looks like. We have our images. Now we just generate the collection. And over here, you just simply have to pay the Ethereum fee. All right, just enter in your card number, your name, your email address, and pay the amount for 10 NFTs. You just did. So the price per NFT generated is $0.1. So the total is less than $1 to unlock the NFTs. But for you, it might be different. I mean, even if it's like, let's say 100 NFTs. So 0.10, right? 0.10 multiplied by 100. So let's go ahead and calculate that. 0.10 x 100. Just $10. I think you can pay $10 for that. So it's just this. So after that, you can just go ahead and download it and just simply post it as an NFT. So let me just show you. So over here, I'm just simply going to input my card number, the name, and my email address. After that, just simply click on pay 0.99 USD. Wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so the service is not working right now. I think it failed, but for you it might work. But let's see over here. Let's try again. Boom, there we go, success. Now we can just go ahead and download the collection, and we'll just save it over here. We'll call this complete. We'll just add it over here. There you go, successfully have our NFT collection right over here. Let me just extract it over here, extract all. There you go. So this is your images right over here. This is how it looks like. Really nice, really cool. You can choose whichever one you want, and you have your metadata over here for these images as well. So this is how you do it. Now, if you didn't want to pay for this collection, like you don't want to pay the $10, I mean, this service is pretty nice, but if you don't want to pay, then another website that you can use is this one right here. It's called nftgenerator.art. The process is exactly the same. You create your layers over here, you upload them, and boom, you're done. So for example, this is the background, right? I just simply add in my face image over here, and then I just create like glasses, and I create hats, and now I just simply upload them. So let me just go ahead and upload my glasses over here. Simply select them all, click on open, and then for my hats, I also do the exact same thing. Hats over here, click on open. There you go. So now I have all of them ready to go. So how many can we create? Let's go see over here. I think I can create like 16 maybe, because I only have 4 different types of images and only one background. So I think I can only create like 16, but for you it might be different, because for you will have to create like way more. So your number is going to be different. So next thing, what you're going to do after you've input your number over here, just simply click on generate collection. Wait for a couple of seconds for the NFTs to be generated. As you can see over here, boom, there you go. After that, you just enter in your email address and click on download, and then you just simply click on save, and you can just go ahead and see your NFTs that you've just saved over here. So let me just go ahead and see that over here in the new folder. We have our sample ready. We just extract them all over here, click on extract. There we go. So these are all our assets. So as you can see over here, all the assets are over here. They look really nice, really cool. So that's how you basically do it. That's how you create your NFT collection online without any code whatsoever. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and until next time. Take care and goodbye.